say it, so let me break this fucker down for ya. I really don't know ya. You're tough, but let me show you where to put your paranoia. You're joking, I don't have a half a sucker bone to throw ya. I'm disgusted while you're working to make you tuck your tail below ya. And no, I'm not your soldier, I'm not taking any orders. I'm a 5-star general, infantry controller. Need a lesson, let me show you. Have you checking your composure while I make you step to it like 1, 2, 3, 4.